Okay, so now that you have your content organized, the next thing to do is we're going to go into an individual lesson and you're going to watch me create some content. And you're going to discover along the way why Voma, another reason why Voma is so special and powerful. So what I want to do is I want to just choose one of these and I'm going to choose the toss. So what I've done is I've created one called the overview, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the name of the overview under toss, and this brings me into an area where I can change the title and I can also start to type the content. Now, here's what I love about Voma, one of the many things. So think of this as a blog platform, but it's a blog platform that instead of the entire world seeing, only people that you want to have access, so only people that you either give access to or people who have paid you for access will get to see it. But it's a sort of like a blog platform in the sense that you're not just restricted to video like so many other platforms like restrict you. You have the ability to write a really lengthy article or a short one or just video or multiple videos. You can add images. So let's go ahead and begin, and I think you'll get the idea. So I could start by saying, in this lesson, you're going to learn. And I could do bullets here, and I could do idea 1, idea 2, idea 3. I'm just using placeholders. Watch the video below and enjoy. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab a video from YouTube. Now, I do not recommend that you take someone else's video from YouTube without permission, but I'm just using this as an example. So I'm going to grab the URL from YouTube. So let's pretend that this was my video. And so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the insert video button. And then I can paste in a video from YouTube or Wistia or Vimeo or Loom or a whole bunch of other providers. So you have the flexibility of choosing where you want to host your videos. So let's go ahead and click on insert, and then you'll see the video appear. Now I can continue, I can add more text. So I could say, and here's something else. And I could go on and explain more and more and more. I could add in images simply by clicking there and dragging in an image, because sometimes a picture's worth 1,000 words. And so why not add some images there that really help drive the lesson home? So you have the ability, whether you want to have no videos in the lesson, multiple videos, images, no images, etc., you have the flexibility. Point in fact, let me go ahead and show you. So here's an example from Stealth Selling where for one of the lessons, I've got a video, it's hosted on Wistia, and then I've got a download section. And it's as simple as that. That's all we wanted to have there for this particular lesson. But you can structure it any way that you want, and that's really, really fantastic. It frees you up to express your content and your training the way that you want. So I'll click Save, and in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that the lesson has been updated. Now, up here, right next to the Save button is a really important thing. It's, when you're creating this content, it's not instantly live. You have the flexibility of having it in draft mode, but then you can make it live by just clicking live, and then it will go live. Now, I'm not going to set it live yet because I want to go back to the course and I want to show you something. So here we are back at the course, and I want you to notice that next to the title, Kick Serve Secrets, so this would be your course title here, there's nothing else because something is going to appear there in just a little bit. But notice that none of these are live. They're all set to draft. Where there are lessons, all of the lessons that I've created are set to draft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this overview that I just created, and I'm going to go ahead and set it live. Now, when I do that, in just a second, it's going to save it. And now I've got a preview button. And this gives me the ability, now that one of these is live, I can click to preview what the course is going to look like. Now, because everything else is in draft mode, you need to know that all you're going to be able to see is just this one lesson. But here's the lesson that we just created. So now you see exactly what your clients are going to see, and you can choose, you can work on content and publish it when you're ready by setting it to live. So hopefully now you know how quick and easy and flexible it is to create your content inside of Voma.